Uno Flip is similar to regular Uno, but each card has a dark side and a light side. Shuffle the cards and put them on the table with the light side down. Have each player draw a card and flip it to reveal the light side. The player with the highest number is the dealer. Shuffle again and deal 7 cards to each player, light side down. Put the rest of the cards in the middle of the table as the draw pile. Flip over the top card of the draw pile and set it aside to start the discard pile. The player to the left of the dealer starts. Just like in regular Uno, the player can discard any cards that match the color, number, or symbol of the top card on the discard pile. The round ends when someone plays their last card. Here's the twist. If someone plays a flip card, all the cards must be turned over to the opposite side, including the cards in the draw pile, discard pile, and each player's hands. Watch out. Action cards are more powerful on the dark side than on the light.